Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Exam Study Zone. Today's video topic is what is the consumer behavior in retail. So this is very interesting topic, so watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So what is the meaning of consumer behavior in retail? The meaning of consumer behavior in retail is how the customer understands the business activities in stores and various shopping places and selects products or services. It manifests in various thoughts, influences, and motivations. So, friends, let's take an example. A customer shopping at a supermarket bases their behavior on their priorities, preferences, and experiences. They carefully consider product prices, brands, packaging, and promotional presentations. Their behavioral style, such as being pragmatic, thoughtful, or sensitive, can influence their purchasing decisions. If they are attracted to a healthy lifestyle, they will prefer health related products. If they prefer comfort and luxury, they will choose branded products. Their behavior can also be influenced by social motivations and experiences, such as recommendation from friends or past experiences. Thus, studying consumer behavior in retail helps in understanding the provision of products and services better so that businesses can satisfy customers and meet their needs effectively. So, friends, consumer behavior in retail refers to the study of how individuals or groups of consumers behave and make decisions regarding the selection, purchase, use, and disposal of goods and services within a retail environment. This field examines various factors influencing consumer behavior, including social, cultural, economic, psychological, and situational influences. Consumer behavior in retail refers to the study of how consumers behave and make decisions when shopping for goods and services in retail environments. So, friends, overall understanding consumer behavior in retail helps businesses tailor their marketing strategies, product offerings, pricing strategies, and overall retail experience to meet the needs and preferences of their target customers effectively. So here are detailed explanation with examples. First one is purchase decision process. How consumers go through the process of recognizing a need, searching for information, evaluating alternatives, making a purchase decision, and post purchase evaluation. For example, a consumer who needs a new smartphone may research different brands, compare features and prices, and finally make a purchase based on perceived value and personal preferences. Second one is in store behavior. Observing how consumers behave within retail stores, including their browsing patterns, interactions with products, and response to promotions and displays. For instance, a shopper may spend more time in the electronics section if there's a demonstration or a special offer on display. Next one is brand loyalty and preferences. Analyzing consumers' loyalty towards specific brands or products and understanding the factors that influence their brand preferences. For example, a consumer may consistently choose a particular brand of chocolate because of its taste, quality, and perceived value despite other options available. Price sensitivity. Examining how price changes affect consumers' purchasing decisions and their willingness to pay for products or services. For instance, a consumer may switch to a lower priced alternative or wait for a sale or discount before making a purchase. Next one is psychological factors. Exploring the psychological factors that influence consumer behavior, such as perception, motivation, attitudes, and emotions. For example, a consumer may feel a sense of accomplishment or satisfaction after buying a luxury item, driven by the desire for status or self esteem. Next one is social influence. Investigating how social factors such as family, peers, culture, and reference groups influence consumers' shopping decisions. For instance, a customer may buy a particular fashion brand because it's popular among their social circle or aligns with their cultural values. Next one is online behavior. Studying how consumers behave when shopping online, including their search behavior, product reviews, and online shopping habits. For example, a consumer may read reviews and compare prices across multiple websites before making an online purchase. Post purchase behavior. Examining consumers' satisfaction levels, repurchase intentions, and word of mouth recommendations after making a purchase. For instance, a satisfied customer may become a loyal advocate for a brand, recommending it to friends and family. Now, what are the importance of consumer behavior in retail? Consumer behavior is crucial in the retail industry for several reasons. First one is understanding preferences. Retailers need to understand what influences consumers' purchasing decisions, such as price, product features, brand loyalty, and shopping experience, to tailor their offerings accordingly. Second one is predicting trends. By analyzing consumer behavior, retailers can anticipate trends and adapt their product assortments and marketing strategies to meet evolving consumer demands. Third one is effective marketing. Knowledge of consumer behavior allows retailers to create targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with their target audience, leading to higher engagement and sales conversion rates. Next one is inventory management. By analyzing buying patterns and seasonality, retailers can optimize inventory levels, reduce stock outs, and minimize excess inventory, leading to cost savings and improved profitability. Next one is competitive advantage. Retailers who effectively leverage consumer behavior insights gain a competitive edge by staying ahead of competitors and delivering superior value to customers. Last one is enhancing customer experience. Understanding consumer behavior enables retailers to provide personalized shopping experiences, streamline the purchasing process, and build long term relationships with customers. In essence, consumer behavior serves as the foundation for strategic decision making in retail, guiding everything from product development and pricing strategies to store layout and customer service initiatives. By understanding consumer behavior in retail, businesses can tailor their marketing strategies, product offerings, pricing tactics, and customer experiences to better meet the needs and preferences of their target audience, ultimately driving sales and building customer loyalty. So friends, that's for all today. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Exam Study Zone. Thanks for watching and have a good day.